Okay, guys, you can see amazing cave in Laos. What is the name of this cave?
It's Can.
Ah, Kam. That one that I told you. Closest one. Wow, it's good. So you can come inside and see the beautiful cave. Empty and quite big. Can you give me light here, please? Okay, thank you. Here we can see some way to go downstairs and some secret rooms. Lao, People Democratic Republics have a lot of amazing places. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Ooh. Wow. You see, it looks like an eagle. Like a bird. Wow, it's look amazing. Okay. Thank you.